Hey guys, so time for another lawnmower comparison video. So a couple weeks ago I did one on the two Lawn Boys, the Lawn Boy 10606 and Lawn Boy 10323. Now we'll do another one on the two Craftsman mowers. So that one right there is a 2003 Craftsman with a 5.5 horsepower Honda GCV 160 engine. This is a 2010 Craftsman Easy to Walk. This has a Briggs & Stratton engine that's rated at 6.75 foot-pounds of gross torque. In horsepower, it's probably around either 5 or 6 horsepower. And we'll see how well these mowers do in this tall, thick St. Augustine grass. Finally going through a day without any rain. Just the few days ago, y'all should really see how it looked out here. It was so humid outside, the whole yard was just all sweaty. I actually got a little clip of it that day, so let me show y'all that. So here's the yard, front yard on Friday morning, September 7th. Boy, it is so humid. It's actually foggy. Yeah, look at there, 98% humidity. Yeah, just look how sweaty the yard is. And it did rain quite a bit yesterday. In case if y'all are curious, this is how much rain we got. Just roughly a ½ inch. I'll just dump that. We're supposed to get some more rain by early tomorrow morning. And yeah. This area right here, see, the St. Augustine is starting to come back in some areas, but the Bermuda has taken over right here. Well, so this is what the yard looks like on Friday morning, on this humid Friday morning. And yeah, y'all just saw that. And then after that, we ended up getting about another 2 inches of rain, I think. Yeah, so we ended up, just throughout this past week, we got like several inches of rain. Just insane. And just look what it's even done with our grass. I've already actually pre-cutted some areas of the front yard. I actually did all this with the Lawn Boy 10606. It's still a little wet right here, but all the St. Augustine, it's pretty much mostly dry. So I guess that without further ado, we'll get started here. So first I'll start out with the Craftsman mower and then the Craftsman Easy to Walk. Yeah, if y'all can hear in the background, my neighbor right across the street is cutting their grass. It's the same neighbor that actually replaced the water main line. Alright, I think that should do it. Alright, so here's the Craftsman mower.
Alright, so here you have it. So there's the Craftsman mower. Actually, let's look from the other way. Y'all can see it actually left some good stripes. I got grass burrs all over me.
Yeah, not too bad. It did leave behind some blades that are sticking up a little bit. But, boy, look at that. Those are really nice stripes. That's quite impressive. So now for this one, we'll see how it'll do. Let's see if it'll make some good stripes. Okay. Alright, that'll work. So now for the Craftsman Easy to Walk. Alright, so there's the Craftsman Easy to Walk. And you know what? I think it left better stripes than that mower. It does look like I missed a spot right there, but I know for sure I didn't. Let's kind of look at this direction. Oh yeah, look at those stripes. Really nice. That's just one nice thing about these two mowers. Yeah, they do leave some nice stripes. They look pretty much almost even. You kind of would think, like, if on the Craftsman Easy to Walk, their stripes, its stripes would be a little wider though, but I can't really tell. Now, even though that's a 22 inch, that's a 21 inch. So I say both lawnmowers did a pretty good job. This one actually left behind just little bits of grass blades. But all in all, they both did a pretty good job cutting this tall, thick St. Augustine grass, even though some areas of it was a little bit wet. And last year I installed a gator blade on both of these mowers. Just let y'all take a look. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean these. Yep. Yeah, they're pretty dirty. Alright, cool. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little comparison video. Stay tuned for the lawn cutting video, which will be next weekend, and I'll use this lawnmower to do the mowing with. Alright, so thanks for watching.